know what are the Chartbusters ideas. Let's bring on board Nooresh Merani to talk about that as well. Nooresh, what are the Chartbuster ideas for today? What are you looking at?
It's a chart for ICICI Bank. The stock has clearly been a leader in the banking space, continues to make higher tops and higher bottoms. The first one to actually hit a new 52-week high and an all-time high generally. Now, after the previous breakout about 1050, the stock has been holding out about the 1050, 1030 mark and is now back to testing that 1100, 1120 resistance. If this crosses, we could be looking at a move towards 1400 next. So it's an accumulate at current levels. Given the leadership conditions, eventually the stock should break out. So an accumulated 1070 to 1100 with a stop loss at 1040.
Now let's have your Chartbuster as well.
Well, that's on Chambal Fertilizer, a stock which I had recommended in the morning as well. The stock coming out after a major period of consolidation. So as you can see on this on the charts, on the short-term time scale, the stock has gone through this patch of a 10 to 15% range of consolidation, 380 at 85 approximately as a resistance for the stock, and closer to this 340, 345 is a major support for the stock price. What is very interesting is the way the stock is channeling out of a major kind of a rounding bottom formation after a correction from mid of 2022 and the stock lying low at 250 odd levels. This is a very strong set of comeback for Chambal Fertilizer. And what's more exciting is the volumes which had happened in the move when the stock had moved up higher. This indicates that there has been a strong base formation as well as a buying which has happened for the stock price. Now it's ready for a breakout. This could be at least a 40 to 50 point of breakout for Chambal Fertilizer, which means above the levels of 385, we could be looking at a target of 425 to 450 in the very near term for the stock.
Okay, let's find out those individual stock calls. And Nooresh, run us through your top trades.
So first is a buy on Chambal Fertilizer itself. The stock has given a good breakout. Stop loss at 387, target price of 430. Second is a buy on Ambuja Cements. The stock has broken out into a new all-time high after the whole 30-50% fall before a strong recovery. Good momentum here. Stop loss at 630, target price of 700.
All right, and find out what Kunal is picking out for the day. Kunal?
So two buy calls. HCC, I would continue to be bullish on the stock. Targets revised slightly higher to 42. Stop loss could be till to 35. And the second is on Biocon. Again, a stock which I had recommended yesterday. The stock is out of the F&O ban, so that's another positive for the stock price. Slight revision to the targets, 300, and stop loss could be till to 275.
Okay, on that note, Kunal, Nooresh, we'll see you again later in the day.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.